Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the file open, so start by selecting the cells that display the dollar symbol. Once selected, make sure these are numeric values formatted as currency rather than text. This matters because formatting fixes the display while text needs editing. Next, press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells immediately. This shortcut saves time versus the ribbon. You'll use the Number tab to change the displayed symbol. Keep the selection visible so you can confirm changes in real time. With Format Cells open on the Number tab, pick Number to remove any currency symbol while preserving numeric formatting. This is the simplest, safest option. Once you select Number, adjust decimal places and negative number display to match your sheet. If you prefer a custom pattern, choose Custom and delete the dollar from the type box, then press OK. After closing, scan the range to confirm the dollar signs are gone but numeric alignment and calculations remain intact. If values once done, verify formulas still work and numbers calculate as expected. Save your workbook. If any cells still show a dollar symbol, they may be text. Run Ctrl+H, find dollar, replace with blank and check results. Use replace all sparingly. If text prevents calculations, wrap value around the cell or paste special as values after converting. Make sure to keep a backup. If something goes wrong, you can revert. That single troubleshooting step resolves the usual edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.